Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So here is me just trying to show you I have here paprika powder, black pepper, ginger powder, and one teaspoon of salt. Here I have my dried thyme, and here I have my chopped onion. And next is my tomato puree. It's fresh tomato puree. And here is the main ingredient, my ground meat, known as mince. I can't pronounce that, please. And here I'm using sunflower oil. This is turmeric powder, which I'm going to be adding. And here is chili powder, chili pepper. Okay, so that's all my ingredients. So next I just go ahead and place my pot on a gas, and I will be adding enough water to cook my pasta. After that, just cover and let that boil while we go ahead and do other things. Okay, I just placed my pan on a gas as well. Let it heat up, and I'm going to be adding some oil. The oil has heat up, and here is me adding the chopped onion. Let that fry a few seconds, and I'm going to be adding the ground meat. Add that, just give it a quick stir, and I'm going to be adding salt and half teaspoon of salt, as well as half teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a quick stir, like a thorough stir. Mix everything together, and we'll let the meat cook before I will continue, like before I will proceed. Okay, so here is me just come with my tomato puree, and I'm going to throw that in. Stir it together. I added tomato paste. I forgot to, I don't get to film that. So here I will be adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of thyme, as well as 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, and I'm going to stir everything together very well. So here is me taking some water from that pasta water we have been boiling. I just add the water, and I'm going to stir it together very well, and next we'll cover it and let it cook while we go ahead and attend to the pasta. Okay, so here the pasta water has boiled already, so I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, some olive oil. Here's me adding the olive oil, and to that I'm going to be adding the pasta itself. I'll add the pasta, and I'm going to give it a thorough stir. Okay, while that is doing, let me do a proper intro. If you're new to my channel, it is your first time stopping by, you're highly welcome. And if you like what you see in here, like you like what you're watching right now, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button below, and remember to turn your notification bell on. And if you like this video, like you really like it, give it a huge thumbs up. Okay, and thank you for doing that. So you see how the soup is doing. It's so juicy, the oil has flowed up, and here is me just trying to give it a quick stir just to see how it is. So, and it is done. This is after 15 minutes, and it is well done. You guys can see how it looks so delicious. Oh my goodness. So here is me just trying to show you guys the both side. The pasta is here doing wonderfully well, and the sauce is right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the pasta out, and that I will be serving the food, and everything is ready. See how it's looking, you guys. Believe me, it look good and it tastes great, to be honest. So this is going to be the end of this video. Thank you all so much for coming. As in, I can't even thank you guys enough. Thank you so much for your love, your support, your every time, every day. I really do appreciate. Okay,